If you catch the mystery box, you keep it.
Oh wow, that's like scary. I was no way I was going. But I know, and I'm a monster. Sorry about that.
It's okay. If you catch it, you keep what's inside. Oh! If you catch the mystery box, you keep what's inside. If you catch the box, you keep what's inside. If you catch the mystery box, you catch it, you keep what's inside.
I don't need what's inside. I got a class to get to.
Sorry, dude. No! What? What was that?
How about
God!
Hey, let her keep it.
It's an iPhone 15. You have to catch it.
No, let her keep it. Deadass. She caught it.
Well, she didn't actually.